it is my third video, database security and authorizations. Now we are discussing introduction to statistical database security. Now our points are database security. Statistical database are used mainly to produce statistics on various populations. First point. Second point, the database may contain confidential data on individual which should be protected from user access. Third one is user are permitted to retrieve statistical information on the population such as average, sum, counts, maximum, minimum and standard deviation. A population is a set of tuples of a relations table that satisfies some selection conditions. Fourth one, a statistical query involves applying a statistical function to a population of tuples. For example, we may want to retrieve the number of individuals in a population or the average income in the populations. However, the statistical users are not allowed to retrieve individual data such as the income of a specific person. The statistical database security techniques must prohibit the retrieval of individual data. This can be achieved by prohibiting query that retrieve attributes value and by allowing only query that involve statistical aggregate functions such as count, sum, mean, max, average and standard deviations. Such query are sometimes called statistical query. First thing is, it is a DBMS responsibility to ensure confidentiality of information about individual while still providing useful statistical summaries of data about those individuals to users. Second is provision of privacy protection of user in a statistical database is paramount. Third is in some cases it is possible to infer the values of individual tuples from a sequence. Statistical queries. This is a particularly true when the condition result in a population consisting of a small number of tuples. Topic is over. This is a statistical database securities. Database security and authorizations are completed these topics.